In order for LASTRADA's asphalt module to calculate volumetric properties such as VMA correctly, you will need a representative aggregate-specific gravity to go with the measured asphalt mix properties like GMB and GMM. LASTRADA has a hierarchy for aggregate GSP. In this practical pointer, I will show you the hierarchy of GSP, so the most representative value is using volumetric calculations like VMA. First, LASTRADA will look for a measured GSP value obtained from an accompanying aggregate sample. You enter GSP test results for an accompanying aggregate sample by going to the Aggregate tab, head over to GSP, and click on the pencil to enter your data. If there is no accompanying aggregate GSP test, LASTRADA will next look for a GSP value entered directly into the sample record. To enter a GSP value to be used in volumetric calculations, go to the Aggregate tab of a hot mix sample and enter it here. If there is no GSP test or a GSP direct entry, then LASTRADA will next look for a calculated aggregate blend found in the asphalt declaration. To use the calculated blend GSP, you need to assign a test to a blend within the declaration by using the selection number 2. The easiest way to view the aggregate blend GSP, click on the pencil in the header tab to review the blend and its calculated GSP. If there is no GSP test, a GSP directly entered, nor a calculated blend GSP entry, then LASTRADA will lastly look at the declared GSP found in the asphalt mix declaration. To add an established or predefined design GSP value, go to the Aggregate tab and enter the value here.